Welcome to Boracay!
I saw the darkest dark, but then you took my heart, and now I'll never be the lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me, and you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you.
Hi guys, inabutan tayo ng ulan. So dito muna tayo sa Sundown Restaurant. I'm having an iced Americano. Patila muna tayo. Guys, ganito, medyo tumataas na ulit yung tubig. Tapos bumili ako ng ano to, pang sandcastle for Cyril. Sana ma-convince ko siyang mag-beach.
Yay! Pumayag si Cyril mag-beach! We're gonna, do, Sandcastle!
Guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalinaw yung tubig. Sobrang ganda. Pero, may mas maganda pa dyan. Ito, Hi, Cyril! Wow. Ilang hours na tayo nagsaswimming, Cyril? How many hours na tayo nagsaswimming?
100.
100 hours? Are you a mermaid? You're a pretty girl.
Mokoy.
Mokoy? What's mokoy?
Mermaid and chocolate.
Where did you learn that?
My brain.
In your brain. You have a beautiful brain.
My brain says I have a chocolate.
You have a shokoy?
And that's daddy.
Baby, you
And
look
you're
so
a
good.
Mokoy too. You're a mokoy.
I'm a mokoy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, can you show everyone how you swim? Dali. Swim ka. Proper swim. Okay, and then float. Very good. Pagod agad? Hi! We're here at Watercolors Beach Cafe. And ito yung isa sa the best burger na natikman namin dito sa Boracay. Yung kanilang dive burger, no? So, eto. Pakita ko lang. Very juicy yan with bacon, cheese, and look, tingnan mo yung plating nila. Ang cute. So, eto. First bite. Aaron May, I dedicate this first bite to you. So good. fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part, baby? Oh, what was your wish again? Me and Daddy were what? Oh, we're always happy with you. Hey guys, it's now 5 p.m. and it's another beautiful afternoon here in Boracay. Look! Nanap ko ngayon si Pipo tsaka si Suril ko nasa na sila. Sabi nila magsuswimming sila, so hanapin natin sila. Ayun, nakita ko na sila! Hi! Lapitan natin. Time check, 6:20 na, pero si Suril ayaw pa rin paawat. Antayin daw namin hanggang sa pituhan kami ng guard. Let's go na, baby. Alam mo ba ano oras tayo nag-start mag-swimming?
Yes.
What? What time?
1.
Oh, yeah, 1 p.m. And it's now 6 p.m. That's 5 hours. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Bye! Sa wakas, pumayag din siyang umahon, guys. Off to find dessert. Surreal, you wanna party, Surreal? Oh, Surreal, happy hour daw, Surreal. Oops, target market. Surreal, be strong, Surreal. Ice flakes, ang best dessert in Boracay for us. At paborito ni Pedri. Good morning! Another beautiful day here in Boracay. As usual, mag-morning walk lang tayo so I can complete my 10,000 steps a day. No itinerary for today, just walking around and making sure that we complete the steps. See ya! Hi guys! Still walking. Alam ko na kung saan tayo pupunta. Punta na tayo ng Bulabog Beach. Okay guys, so from Station 1, kapag nasa beach side kayo, if you want to go to Bulabog Beach, the fastest way to get there is through D-Mall. So, papasok tayo dyan. Tapos ang labas na natin is dun sa may Budget Mart. So, here. Okay, so nandito na tayo. Palabas na tayo ng D-Mall. This is Budget Mart. Ito sa kaliwa. And then, tatawid tayo dun sa kabila. Sa Balabag Wetland. Yan, so dito yung daan. So yan, pagkana natin, ito yung daan. Papuntang Bulabog Beach, dun sa dulo. Excuse me. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Bulabog Beach. So, usually dito rin yung drop-off point or start point ng mga water activities. As you can see, andyan ang dami, oh. Parasailing. Lakad tayo dito. Tingnan natin yung mga beach resorts dito sa area. Nung last na punta namin dito, noong December 2023, halos everyday kami nagpupunta rito nung kapatid ko tsaka nung nanay ko. Kasi nakaka-relax panoorin yung mga nagka-kitesurf. Tas uupo ka lang under the tree. Maganda yung tanawin, tapos masarap yung hangin. So dito marami ring cafe, restaurants, tsaka mga accommodation. Walang name pero very simple din siya. And beachfront. Ayun yung famous photo spot dito. Yung may nakabend na coconut tree. Yan, tingnan nyo, ang daming tao nagpa-picture. Ito yung Seven Stones, Boracay. Ang ganda rin dito, guys. So, okay ding alternative dito kapag kuwari peak season, tas nahirapan na kayo kumuha ng hotel dun sa White Beach. Malapit lang naman siya, isang tawid lang. And this is just gonna be a walking video para lang makita nyo ano yung mga establishments dito, ano yung itsura, and ano yung vibe. Meron akong gustong itry na resort dito, yung Aqua Boracay. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag malapit na tayo, pero parang ang ganda magstay doon. So, dito, medyo marami pa yung mga vacant lot. And mas tahimik siya compared to White Beach. Ito na siya, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, maganda. Meron silang mga rooms and then may studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, up to 3 bedroom suite. And then nakita ko may mga penthouse din sila sa taas. So next time, try natin magstay dito. So, akala ko dulo na yun dito, yun sa may Aqua Boracay. Hindi pa pala. Meron pa pala hanggang dito. May mga accommodations din. Try natin tinan hanggang saan to. Ooh, big doggo. Oh my God, medyo nakakatakot. Wind riders and friendly naman yung dog. Dinedman niya lang ako. Wow. Did you hear that? Oh my God. Labas na nga tayo. Medyo nakakatakot yung mga aso rito. Let's see kung may daan dito. So usually, I don't know kung, parang wala ngang hangin, pero nung nagpunta kami rito last time, marami nagka-kitesurf dito. Unless, wala rito yung direction ng hangin ngayon, kaya wala sila rito. Pero usually, nandito silang lahat, marami yon. Ewan ko, natatanaw nyo pa yung banda doon. Okay, so hanggang doon lang tayo dito sa Bolabog Beach. Lalakad na tayo ngayon pabalik ng Station 1. Okay, lakad na tayo pabalik ulit sa hotel. Dito naman tayo sa main road naglalakad ngayon. See?